TDII is a growing company which specializes in the manufacturing of optical fiber platforms, optical fibers, indoor and outdoor fiber optic cables, RF cables, special electric cables, railway signal cables, and broadband products. Our firm is capable of providing customers with high-quality fiber optical products, coupled with the appropriate solutions and technical support. Technology advancements are fueling unprecedented growth of fiber optic equipment. The need for suppliers that understand the intricacies of the fiber optic product, components, and related equipment is crucial for the success in the industry. At TDII, we provide custom engineering services for fiber manufacturing processes. TDII was listed in October 2010. We are certified in accordance with ISO 9001-2015, Quality Management System, ISO 14001 through 2015, Environmental Management System, OHSAS 18001 to 2007, Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Our products include communication cables, fiber optic cables, RF coaxial cables, and special cables, which are all TL certification approved. TDII has a global reputation for bringing best-in-class technology and design concepts to the marketplace. Added to close customer relationships, years of experience in the industry, and outstanding service and support, TDII emerged as the right choice for fiber optic products and solutions. Our products are also highly appreciated by our customers from the United States, Mexico, Ecuador, Ukraine, Vietnam, Belarus, Pakistan, etc.